We've come today to look at this truly impressive house, built in 1902 and sympathetically restored by its current owners, with all the mod cons you could expect. The property's been beautifully designed inside and out and sits in 4 acres of land. It is truly an impressive home. Let's go and have a look around. No expense has been spared on this stunning bespoke kitchen. From the limestone flooring, the granite worktops, all the way through to the handmade cornice ceiling. Top to bottom, it's been beautifully designed, leading in to the dining area with anthracite bifolding doors with breathtaking country views. After a long hard day, what a better place to relax than this ensuite. With walk-in shower, roll-top bath, underfloor heating under the Carrera marble tiles, lead into the principal bedroom. Beautiful open space with views all around, floor-to-ceiling bay window with sash and a feature fireplace. It also comes with its own walk-in wardrobe as well. As we come to the back of the house, there's a great patio area, perfect for summer days, entertaining and having people round. But this is more than just an impressive house. It's also a great location. Situated just 10 miles from Nottingham city centre. At the other end of the village, there's a train station, just 12 minutes to Nottingham city. Great local pubs and loads to do for the whole family. You'll be deceived thinking that this was just a country home. It's so much more.